start watching, because they're going to sit up there and they're going to flush them down this way. So they could be starting running down through here anytime. Just move up a little bit further and wait. See, they're just sitting up there. They're getting ready to start in. Okay, call them. All right, and get ready because they're going to scare them out. Kick the weeds a little bit, see if something comes out. There you go. There you go. Okay, Skylar, you back up a little bit and get your sack down, and brother will kick the weeds a little bit. Maybe want to run out in them. Back up a little bit so they can have. There you go, right there. Now he'll shake the weeds. There you go, just keep working down the row a little bit and let's see what happens. God, one of them run past on the other side. You got to keep your sack down. It was about 3 inches from you. Didn't you see it? It went right across to the other side of the road in the wheat field. You got to pay attention. All right, be ready because they're going to be scaring them.